had my cataract surgery done in a very nice facility in Michigan. However, compared to your lovely place, this is the Ritz. I was at the Motel 6.
Love you. Love you too.
You're all done. Congratulations. Off to Michigan.
I feel wonderful. This place is so relaxed, and this is wonderful. This is like a day at the spa.
Yes, Miss Michigan.
I think I'm all sorts of hair.
Oh, wow.
I appreciate it so much. You have no idea.
My pleasure.
No idea.
Both of you have had your cataract surgery back home. How does this compare?
Night and day. Night and day. This was, like I say, it's almost like going to the spa. You don't feel like you're going into a surgical room and all scared.
You make us feel like royalty. You
Yeah.
treat everyone special.
Yes, you do. It feels very personal.
It's an honor. It's an honor.
Oh, yes, it's cold. I have Gulani vision.
Yes.
I can see. I can see leaves on things.
Wow.
It's not a green blur. That's amazing. The last 5 years, my vision has declined to the point where I can't night drive. I was seeing double and having fluctuated vision. I went to Kellogg Eye Institute, which is supposed to be the best in Michigan, and they sent me to another doctor who sent me to another doctor. Outcome was that nobody could help me. I was very discouraged, and as I was leaving, one of the doctors that had assisted leaned over my shoulder and said, just because Kellogg is the best in Michigan doesn't mean it's the best. You should go home and do your homework. A lot of them had said that they had really good luck with Dr. Gulani and that their experiences were really good. And I was pretty impressed. I had my first surgery, and everybody's wonderful here. And it's like kind of like being in a spa. You feel really well taken care of and pampered. And I'm totally pain-free.